guys, hope you're enjoying my videos. I'm sorry for messing up the question which I uploaded in my previous video. I deleted that video now. So here is the updated question, and we'll move on to something else after this. So we have a scalene triangle ABC within its center I, and the circles omega B and omega C. Omega B centered on CA and touches BC at X and touches AB, and omega C centered on AB and touches BC at Y and also touches CA. And these two circles meet at points M and N. Now suppose A and N is a straight line. So A and N are collinear points. And when you extend this line to meet BC, it intersects BC at O. And now if the circle of ABC, with circle I of course, the center is I, and this incircle of ABC and the circle with diameter XY meet each other at points K and L. So you have to prove that OKI is an equilateral triangle. So that's this question. Do solve it, it's pretty interesting. It has many Euclidean theorems and some interesting equations to solve. And moving on to the fun part of today, guess what it is today? It's National Math Day, the birthday of the greatest mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan, and it's on 22nd December, which is today. So I want to celebrate one of his interesting discoveries. So this is the answer to one of his interesting convergent series problem, which no mathematician at the time was able to answer when he published it on a newspaper. So now let's see how we can solve this question. So we have this as the actual question, and then here we express 3 as the square root of 9, which can be written as the square root of 1 plus 8, and we just go on as follows, as you can see here. And although it looks pretty easy, you might wonder why we have chosen the product of 8 as 2 and 4, and the product of 15 being written as 3 and 5. The reason is, if you write it as something else, like for example, let's say 3 into 8 by 3 or something like that, then it would not be a convergent series anymore. It will end up diverging, and then your answer will not be 3. It will be something else. So thus, this happens to be true only when you factor 8 as 2 into 4 and 15 as 3 into 5 and so on. So the answer to this question, as you can see here, is 3. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Do subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy National Math Day once again. Bye bye.